Soundcore. They're back, people, with some more earbuds, but this time it's the open version. And Soundcore, I apologize. I know this video should have been out a couple of weeks ago by now, but you know, life just be life in it. But here I am dropping this video right here on the Soundcore AeroFit Pros. Now, the main difference that I noticed off top is that Soundcore's design uses air conduction technology, and other open design earbuds that I reviewed on this channel uses bone conduction technology. But they didn't just drop the AeroFit Pro. So you have your AeroFit Pros, and then you also have your AeroFit base model right here. Subtle differences here and there with the fit, the sound, the battery life, different colors, but I'll get more into that later on in this video. This video is focused mainly on these AeroFit Pros right here. Now, with that being said, let's get into it.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
All right, people, so quickly going around this box on the front side, as you can see, it says Soundcore by Anchor, Base Up Technology, Sweat Guard IPX5, playtime 14 hours on a single charge, 46 hours total with the charging case, open ear comfort, adaptive secure fit, AeroFit Pro, open ear true wireless earbuds. On the back side, air-like comfort technology, open ear design. I'll get more into that when I start unboxing and show you the actual earbuds. Extra secure fit via the detachable neckband. Also something else I will talk about a little bit later. Spatial audio for immersive sound. Thumping bass with 16.2mm drivers, and you have your IPX5 water resistant. These do have fast charging here, so 10 minutes of charge time will give you 5.5 hours of playback time. These are going for $170. As always, I'll put the links in the description down below, and you pick them up on the Amazon website or Soundcore's website. You have these in 4 different colors. You have a black, a white, a blue, and a purple. I do not believe at the time that I'm recording this video that the blue and the purple are available right now. They are going to be released at a later date. And yes, you're able to use these independently, meaning you can be listening to one earbud, have one earbud in the case charging, and then swap them out, technically doubling your battery life. So as soon as you open these up, you do get a quick start guide. On the back of the quick start guide, you have directions on how to pair these to your mobile device, exactly how to wear these, and how to use the detachable cable. And then underneath the quick start guide, you have the detachable neckband right here, earbuds and earbud case right here. I'll get into that in a second. And then you have your USB type A to USB type C charging right here, and then you get a little bit more literature, which I'm not going to get into right now. In size comparison to the Powerbeat Pros, which is still my go-to workout earbud, might be changing, not sure, but as you can see, it's just a lot skinnier. I know these are maybe like 3-4 years old, but I just wanted to show that to you just in case if you're wondering. You do have your USB type C port on the bottom side for that quick charge, and no, you cannot wirelessly charge these, which is kind of a bummer. $470. I would have liked to see wireless charging technology in here. And then also you do have your LED indicator light on the front side right here, and underneath that you have your push button that opens the lid up right there. And I do think that this lid door is held open by a magnet, so whether you want to use the button right here to open it or you just want to open it like that, you can open it either way, but the pushing the button is the design way that Soundcore wants you to open it up. On the inside of the charging case, obviously, these are your earbuds as they sit right here in the cradle, held in by magnets. So if you shake them upside down, they will not fall out. And then you also have a couple more indicator lights on the inside of the charging case as well. As you can see, your left and your right. I do think that it's for like maybe charging status and stuff like that, or if they're actually paired to your mobile device. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what normal indicator lights mean on other earbuds. Going around these earbuds right here, as you can see, these do have your open ear comfort, adaptive secure fit. I haven't been the biggest fan of open ear or bone conduction design earbuds, but these are very, very nice. I can't complain. You have your non-intrusive design with air conduction technology, gentle materials for soft touch on your skin. I really don't feel these sitting on my ears right now. It feels like I can wear these for extended period of time and not have any issues in your 14-hour battery life on a single charge. It will definitely allow for that. Snug and secure fit, ergonomically designed ear hook right here. detachable and adjustable neckband. There's not a right and a left label, but you have a red line right here, which corresponds with the red R on the right one. And then you have this white line right here, which corresponds with the white L on this side, so you know which way to hook them up. It's not really a magnet. It just like pushes and it clips in. So you have that secure fit. It is adjustable, so just hook them up. Have it like this, swing them back here, have them in your ears, and then tighten the band so you can have it tighten as much as you want. You don't want it bouncing around while you're working out, so that's why you're able to adjust that. As you can see on the back side, secure, comfort fit. They're not moving around at all. These might be my new go-to workout earbuds. So that is your neckband right there, people. Very, very nice to have. Only thing is that there's no like carrying pouch that comes with all of this to throw all this stuff in. You do also have this ear hook right here, which is ergonomically designed with 0.7 thick aerospace grade titanium wire capable of withstanding over 5,000 bends for an adaptive fit. You have your 16.2 millimeter drivers in here, oversized drivers in here with titanium coated dome for your robust bass, LDAC codec for rich details, and you have your directional acoustics for less sound leakage and improved sound quality. You also have your physical button right here on the top side, which controls your play, pause, and an answer. I'm not sure if you can turn the volume up and down with that. I think you have to probably do that through your phone. And another nice touch that I like what Soundcore did, so you do have like little Soundcore symbols on the actual earbud itself, which is really nice. And I do believe that this back piece right here is where your battery sits. Not 100% sure, but that would just make sense to me. And then also you do get true 360 spatial audio. Now, when I first saw that these had spatial audio in here, I'm like, all right, cool. How good is open design earbuds with spatial audios? And let me tell you something, people. It's not on the same level of the AirPod Pros, but it's right there with them. And I only think that it's not there simply because you don't have passive noise isolation or noise cancellation inside of these. Soundcore spatial audio technology is really, really good, and I cannot complain whatsoever. For the people that don't know what spatial audio is, spatial audio tracks your head movement to keep you at the center of sound. So if you have, let's just say you're watching, let's just say this is your mobile device. You're watching a movie on your mobile device right here. You turn your head, the sound is still coming from this direction. Like you're in a movie theater, you turn your head back here, sound will still keep coming from this direction. If you spin all the way around, the sound will sound like it's coming from behind you. So that's pretty much what spatial audio is in a nutshell, people. Please remember that these are open ear design earbuds. So manage your expectation when it comes to sound quality. But with that being said, the sound quality is really, really dope. You're not going to get that very, very detailed sound from the mids and the highs, but Soundcore does a really, really good job of directing the sound straight to your ear canal. The sound quality on here is really, really second to none in this category from what I've tested out. It might be different depending on what other YouTuber you watch, but my opinion, Soundcore did their thing when it comes to the sound quality in here. Soundcore has been providing an app for their earbuds and their speakers for a good while now. So what you want to do when you first get these earbuds is go ahead and download the Soundcore app. You want to hook these up to your mobile device via Bluetooth settings inside of your phone, and then open up the app and it should automatically connect. I'm just going to touch on some of the things that I think are important, like the button function and the EQ and stuff like that. As you can see, the AeroFit Pros are connected. Main thing that I would just let you know is that when you first get these and you open the app up, they're going to ask you to download and update the firmware. So that's what you want to do. It only makes the earbuds even better when it comes to, I think, mainly not call quality, but mainly sound quality. As you can see, here is your main screen right here. You do have your spatial effects, you have your spatial audio, you also have your Soundcore signature default, but if you click on that, you can come inside of here and you can click on, you have Soundcore signature sound, you have your podcast, you have your treble boost, and then also you do have a custom button underneath there, and it just brings you to your custom EQ, which adjusts the highs, mids, lows exactly how you want it. And then you have your controls at the bottom right here. You have your left and your right. A single press and double press, and you can adjust both of those here. Inside the settings, you have your volume balance, left and right, dual connection. These do have multi-point connection, so it says connect your headphones to 2 devices at the same time. If you do that, hold on, switching requires about 10 seconds. Give me a second. It'll show you your list of different connections if you do have multi-point connection. I really don't care about that, so I'm gonna just leave that off. You have your auto power off, your find device, firmware update, and serial number. And that's pretty much it for everything that's inside this app. And now people, when it comes to latency, so I tested this out on Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Peacock, YouTube, no latency issues whatsoever. You have your Bluetooth 5.3 inside of here. So I noticed that after Bluetooth 5.2, when it came to earbuds and latency, there were no latency issues whatsoever. I also did mobile gaming on here, didn't have any problems when it came to mobile gaming. So you're good money when it comes to latency. So as you hear my voice right now, people just have the other person on the other end of the earbud will hear you. I do have my Onyx Studio 7 right here. It's going to be pretty much an extreme test. I'm going to put on some music in the background and see how much noise these let in or do not let in. So I'm just going to do some random track right here. Halloween Clown Circus by DJ Dens, The Rooster. Go ahead. Now that's on 50% right there. So now I'm going to turn it up to 100% and just let me know exactly how it actually sounds. So here goes to 100%. So the speaker is right there. Very, very extreme test. So normally when I talk, more ambient sound will come in. I don't even know if you can hear any of this, what I'm saying to you. But this is my quick call quality check when it comes to these earbuds. So and then that was my call quality check for these Soundcore open ear earbuds. Like I said, I did an extreme test, had the speaker right here. So let me know how you feel. Let me know how it went. Leave a comment down below. All right, people. So now just a very quick comparison to the base model of the AeroFits. So very quickly, just with the specs off top, the AeroFit Pros, like I said earlier, go for $170. These will go for $130. Your case size obviously is going to be a little bit smaller when it comes to the base model of the AeroFits. As you can see, here is a size comparison when it comes to the 2 different models. This is your Pro model right here. This is your base model right here. When it comes to the colors, you will have the Pro model in black, white, blue, and purple. The base model right here will be black, white, blue, and I believe it's pink. They kept touch surfaces on their base model, physical buttons on their Pro model. The base model is IPX7 rated, so you can submerge the earbuds, most likely not the case, but definitely the earbuds inside underwater and you'll still be good money. Only IPX5 dust and water resistant when it comes to the Pro version, so there's no submersion underwater with these. And then obviously you do have a smaller battery when it comes to the base model. 11 hours on a single charge, 42 hours with the charging case, and on the Pro models you have 14 hours on a single charge, 46 hours with the charging case. And then also you won't get the neck strap for more security when it comes to the base models right here. And then also no wireless charging in either model, which I would have liked to see put in both models, but that's just me. What do I think of these Soundcore AeroFit Pros? I think they are super dope, to be completely honest with you. I really didn't expect the sound quality that actually comes out of these earbuds, and that just what put it over the top for me. They have everything you need for a great open ear earbud. Comfort, stability, sound quality, battery life, call quality, and durability. They are perfect for anyone who loves sports and music. They are also very affordable, considering all of the features they offer, and you can get them for, like I said earlier, $170 on the Soundcore website or on the Amazon website, which the links will be in the description down below. And that's all I got for you people. That is my full review of these Soundcore AeroFit Pros. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, or if this is your first time here and you like what you're seeing, please smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. And I promise you it will be sooner rather than later. As always, my name is Nicholas. Thank you for stopping by the Tech Love channel, and I'm out. Peace.